Good day everyone, this is Tijan Pimata again from BSED Math 1B. Today I will be teaching you how to use division as operations and function. First, let us have an example using division. Let us find f divided by g, or f over g times x. For example, number 1, given us f of x is equal to x plus 1 and the g of x is equal to x plus 3. Let us solve for a. F over g times x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. So let us substitute x where our f of x is x plus 1 over or divided by x plus 3, which is our g of x. Just follow the pattern. And now, the correct answer is x plus 1 over x plus 3 since that there are no numbers to be cancelled out. As you can see, x plus 1 is different from x plus 3. There's no terms or there's no variables to be factors. Like, if ever x squared plus 1, we will factor it out by x plus 1 and x plus 1. But for me, the correct answer is x plus 1 over x plus 3. It is the right answer. So now let us proceed to our example number 2. For example number 2, the given as f of x is equal to 8x and the g of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Now let us solve. F over g times x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. So let us substitute x where our f of x is 8x divided by 2x minus 3, which is our g of x. Now let us divide. 8x divided by 2x is 4. And just copy the negative 3 here, because 8x is greater than 2x, so we need to put 4 as the numerator and negative 3 as the denominator. So it is the final answer, 4 over negative 3. For example number 3, the given as f of x is equal to 4a squared b raised to the power of 4 and d. And our g of x is equal to 16abd cubed. Let us solve. F over g times x is equal to f of x divided by g of x. Let us substitute x where our f of x is 4a squared b raised to the power of 4 and d over 16ab d cubed, which is our g of x. Now let us divide. 4 divided by 16 is 4. Since 16 is the bigger number than 4, and it is the denominator, so we will put 4 here as the denominator also. And a squared divided by a is a. So it is the bigger number or the highest exponent. So if it is the highest exponent, then we will put here as the numerator. And if it is a squared here and a is on the numerator, we will put a as the denominator. But in the situation and in the problem, a squared is on the numerator. So a. B raised to the power of 4 divided by b is b cubed. When we divide exponent, we just need to subtract, okay? In multiplication, we need to add. But in division rule, we need to subtract. So b raised to the power of 4 divided by b is b cubed, since b raised to the power of 4 is the bigger exponent. So b cubed will be on the numerator. D divided by d cubed is d squared. Why is it d squared? Because d has an imaginary 1 here and d cubed 1 minus 3 is 2. So we'll put here. We don't need to put negative 3. If we put negative 3, so it is negative 3 over 1. So if we put down, it will be positive 3. But here, d1 raised to 1 and d3 is need to subtract, so d squared. It is the answer, ab cubed over 4d squared. I hope that you've learned something today using division. And have a good day. Continue learning. Thank you.